Having the right equipment on the job is essential for keeping employees productive. Making sure their equipment operates as expected is our expertise. The Panasonic National Service Center in Memphis, Tennessee offers unparalleled service and support for your TOUGHBOOK Android mobile devices. Our centrally located, state-of-the-art facility provides customers with an industry-leading turnaround time on custom kitting and component configurations, field-ready product deployments, servicing and repair services, should your device ever get damaged. Our skilled technicians can customize any Panasonic TOUGHBOOK Android device to support specific industries and work environments, while our customer support team stands ready to repair, reconfigure, and rapidly return devices back to the job and into the field. Fully configured TOUGHBOOK Android devices can also be outfitted with job-specific components, asset tagged and customized with corporate configuration, making your device field-ready the moment it arrives. Need accessories for your rugged devices? Not a problem. Panasonic offers a full line of accessories, advanced sustainment support, and customized solutions to take the strain off your IT department and to keep your business and your employees running efficiently. As industry leaders in rugged devices, Panasonic keeps your workforce well-equipped and connected, while our National Service Center helps keep them productive anywhere, anytime. Your business relies on being dependable, and that's why you should rely on Panasonic. Panasonic, trusted by those who work in the harshest environments.